Good morning. Oh my god, the sun's too bright. I tried. It is 6 in the morning and we're going to Starved Rock Nationals, which is 40 minutes away, so pretty close, right in Ottawa. I'm headed to Savannah's right now to go see if they're awake because they said they're gonna come with me. I'm not bringing my truck, just wanted to go out and get some content, see what's going on there. So here, and we booked Amber. Yeah. I told her we were going to Disney World. Wow. Oh my god! God! Stop! Fish flops. I don't want to do that long of an edit, but there's like a fake dog back there. Camera didn't like it very much. She's just growling at it. We're taking the tape off my truck. It's really pretty out right now, but we have about an hour until Mother Nature rains on our parade. There's already like 3 tornado warnings, watches, I don't know. So, take off the ones on my headlights.
Storms are coming. The storm. Ooh. Oh Lord.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Beep, I'm being trusted with the knife, guys. It cuts to just like my hand bleeding.
Craftsmanship. Oh god. Fuck me. You can do that with
I just fix my mistakes after. That's how this works. Hello? Trying to do this and record at the same time is kind of hard. Sir, that was going to be my job. How dare you? Technical difficulty. Start this up. Pigeon! Now we're at the beach. Are you coming?
What? You coming? Yes.
He found a lizard!
Oh, Jaden.
Do you know what lizard that is?
What are you gonna say? You get pulled over.
I didn't know
Like you're running from
we
the
had
cops, they hit
lizards.
you.
I didn't
One,
even
So
I think it's a
because
skink.
I'm transgender,
Very cool.
I said sir. And
that's